Hi, welcome back. I'm Heather. Today I'm going to share with you a crustless cranberry pie that's absolutely delicious, and it's super fast and simple to throw together and cooks up pretty quick. This is a fantastic recipe for in the fall and the holiday season because it has the red cranberries in it, so it's really festive looking and is always a crowd pleaser. So first off, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees, and then we're also going to get some butter in a pan to start melting. So we need 1 stick of butter, and this is unsalted. Slice it down a little so it melts a little bit quicker. Stick it in the saucepan here and get it melting over some low heat. Okay, and we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In our bowl, we're going to mix together our flour and sugar. We're going to need 1 cup of flour, and I'll just use my finger to kind of level it off. 1 cup of sugar, because this has 2 cups of cranberries in it. The cranberries are really tart, so we need the sugar to offset them. All right, and then we're gonna need 1/4 teaspoon of salt here. Okay. And I have 2 cups of cranberries that I've already washed and sorted through. We're gonna add those in. This recipe is super simple because you just throw everything into the bowl at once and then get it stirred up. And then we're gonna add in 2 eggs. This is a great recipe to get kids in the kitchen with. My daughter who's 11, she can make this all on her own, super quick and easy. And she loves anything cranberries. So she's always really proud of this recipe when she makes it. All right, we're gonna do 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then 1/2 teaspoon of almond. And then for a little bit of extra flavor, I like to take the juice of 1 little mandarin orange, so it adds some nice citrusy flavor. If you wanted, you could also throw in the zest of it. But for today, I'm just going to do the juice. And they don't have any seeds, so I don't even have to worry about that getting in there. Okay, I'm going to go check on our butter. Looks like we need just about a minute longer. Okay, and then last thing here is about 1/2 cup of walnuts that are chopped up. I like to just measure a little bit above, and then I'll chop everything. And it's just a rough chop, just so you don't have any big chunks. Just gonna dump that in and grab our butter. And so our butter is nicely melted. Just kind of move this around a little, and then we're just going to dump our butter in. And then just give everything a quick stir. Just want to get it all combined. Make sure there's no more dry flour spots in there. Looks great. Okay, and then I just have a glass Pyrex pie dish, and I'm just going to spray that real quick so our mixture doesn't want to stick. Okay. And then we are just going to dump everything in. Make sure we get all that good batter in there. And then just kind of smooth it out a little. That's it. We're going to stick it into the oven, and it'll cook up in no time at all. And we like to serve this warm with a little bit of fresh whipped cream. So we'll stick it in the oven for about 20-25 minutes until it's a nice golden brown. And then just slice it up. And everybody really enjoys this super simple, easy dessert that's really festive for the holiday season. I love grabbing cranberries during the holidays and just sticking them into the freezer because my kids absolutely love this dessert and it whips up so quick. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future content, and we'll see you next time. Told you it was fast.